What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video with that guy Josh. I know it's been a minute and videos have been down, guys. I apologize truly for that, but unfortunate, the Q50 was having major issues, which I've listed before. But it went into the dealership and it had a blown motor, guys. It was knocking very bad, wasn't keeping up with maintenance and stuff. Car just took a shit. Sorry for the language, but the car just had it all. That was it, guys, with the Q50. Unfortunately, it did cost me a lot of money, but it's gonna cost me less to find another car and just to have more fun with the next car, guys. But unfortunately, Q50's gone for a little bit, maybe permanently, I don't know. Just still waiting for the dealership to get back to me. But meanwhile, I picked up a new project car, guys, and as you guys see on the title of the video, it is a replacement for the Q50. So I'm not sure on how I feel about this or how you guys are gonna feel about this. The car is gonna need a little bit of work. I'm planning on doing tons of mods to it. I'm ready for it to be on the streets and running and taking all these dubs. But with no further ado, guys, let's hop right into it. All right, so I don't think you guys are ready for this. This car is legendary as hell, guys. I've been in the market for one for a very long time. Some of you guys might hate it, some of you guys might love it. But with no further ado, guys, let's go. So the car is a 2011 to start off. It's a great color. It's pretty nice. It's pretty fast too, guys. But nothing compared to the Q50, nothing like that. But it will eventually. But with no further ado, guys, here's the whip. Here's the new whip, guys. Tell me what you guys think. I just ordered a Precision 6266 for it, so it's gonna be a sleeper build. So stay tuned for that, guys, because that's gonna be on the streets pretty soon. Let's pop the hood. I don't know what to do, guys. This is not the Q50. I don't feel right doing it. I got a coupe now. I got the bike rack on top, so we get the beach with the bikes on top. But guys, to go for a test drive, let me show you guys the car. So first off, guys, the car is used, obviously. It has some 18s on it. They have slicks in the front already because I bought it from some guy who used to race it. It has a Tome on it, intake, it has injectors. It's kind of built, it's lowered a little bit. Bike rack on top just for downforce. Got the window shield things, whatever, you know, just to protect, you know, it's too much sauce, so not too many people can look at me while I'm driving it. It's gonna hurt their eyes if they see me driving it. That's how fly this car is. So made this specifically for my car, for that guy Josh. Tool for my bikes, even though I don't have any. You know, the bow back here adds about 20 horsepower. Low diamonds each are like 1 horsepower each, so you know the car's about like 500 horsepower. Got some weight reduction, full interior strip. I just don't want to show you guys right now until we fully hop into the whip and, you know, go for a test drive. But guys, we got some foggy ass headlights, some dusty ass headlights, black sign, you know, because, you know, stance is life and we're gonna stance it, guys. Go for a full build. But got the antenna still on, you know, stock blur, just so when people pull up next to me, they know what they're messing with. It's a Scion TC, and you're gonna whoop your ass. That's it. All right, guys. So now we're inside the whip, and we have the Recaro seating. Got the bootleg ones, but guys, this shit is loud. Full straight pipe, you know, riser level at its max. Riser level in the Scion TC. So guys, how about we start it up and give you guys a walk around and pop the hood and everything for you guys, huh? Let's get it. Ooh, I told you it had a Tome on it. Alright guys, so now let's cut the BS, guys. That is not my whip. The new daily, guys, I've had one before. And now let's get right into it, baby. So it is a 2004 Neon SRT4, guys. New build on the channel, that's it. Then Scion TC's over there, so that's not my whip, guys. We just got the new whip, everybody. So we got the 2004 SRT4. It's stock turbo. It's a little modified here and there. It does come with a sunroof, which I did really want, and it comes with this nice ass blue color, which I really love blue, and it comes with the full 3-inch modern performance exhaust, full 3-inch straight pipe all the way back from the, I don't know what. But guys, alright, so we have carbon fiber side pillars. These I still gotta get the wires for. Bottom boost gauge still works, stock one. Guys, it's a bang for your buck. 5-speed. It needs some work though, guys. I do gotta replace the trans, or the trans needs some work on it. And trans needs some work. Wildwood brake kit. It's a pretty expensive ass brake kit right there, guys. The old owner did like some bootleg ass job right here with some plastic dip. Little eyelids, whatever that is. 2.4 liter turbo is what it's supposed to say right there, but it doesn't. We got the Godspeed intercooler, big front mount, huge as hell. Let's pop the hood for you guys, or if you guys want to see the back seat, it's pretty spacious. Don't mind that. I got prom coming up, so your boy about to be legging fly. Manual windows in the back, which I hate. Why did Dodge do that? And then the 2 front ones are automatic. That makes no sense, guys. But let's pop the hood for you guys. Push that down. Let's shut it off though. No, let's not shut it off. Alright. Hold on. Gotta pass the phone to my woman real quick. Here, I got about this. So guys, the car does have an aftermarket paint job. I believe the original color was blue, but they just painted over it. They have, I don't know where they got this hood from, but I know for sure the car was not silver, because that's still all blue. These are all blue. The whole inside's still blue, guys. But alright, let's get to it. It has an intake on it. AGP wastegate, MSD ignition coils. This dude had like a bootleg ass oil catch can, which I'm going to replace for sure. Godspeed intercooler, I just listed that. What else? DC strut bar. That's pretty much it on the mod list, guys. We have Raceland coil levers on all 4, front and back. So it's lowered. It has the Wildwood brake kit. Already said the carbon fiber side pillars, boom, has boost gauge and the vacuum line, whatever the freak that is. Full 3-inch, listed that already. Sunroof and everything. But I do got one more thing. So it has full coils. The car is pretty much set, guys. It does need some work, transmission, how I said, but that should be pretty soon. I should be getting it back on the road by, I want to say by like late next month, or like the next 2 months. It should be running like immaculate, perfect, fixed up all the little touches that I need to touch up on. The car is pretty much set. It drives fine, it boosts fine. I just got to fix a couple boost leaks here and there. I got to fix tranny, and just like small cosmetic stuff that like the guy, he didn't really take care of it. Like, I want to say, like, come on, like, what is this? He just has it sitting there, has like zip ties sitting around in here. Just a couple things that I should touch up on. It doesn't have washer fluid, which it doesn't really matter because I don't really use it anyway. But guys, the paint, it's a little cheap type paint job, but it's alright because I love the color of the paint job and stuff. But yeah, guys, just like that. Hey, come on, everybody. You guys thought the Q was gone, baby? No, it is still here. It's my legendary ass car. I love this car. So now I got the Beast and the luxury beast. So now guys, this is my full-on build right here. Full build is going down pretty soon, guys. Hopefully I keep this a little bit more longer on the channel than I did with my red one. If you guys are OG subscribers, you guys would know what I'm talking about. I had a red one before and I flipped it, and then the beast started getting a low detailed up, you know. And then guys, so that was like about 8 months ago, 9 months ago. But now guys, the Q is back. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, guys, you guys know that everything was off of my Instagram. The whole YouTube platform on my channel was 0 videos due to the fact of Infinity was giving me a big time hassle, guys, and they weren't trying to replace it. They weren't trying to replace my motor, which I blew, guys. I had coolant flooding into the engine mixing with oil, so that's not a very good combination. Come on now. So I ended up blowing a head gasket, and then blowing a head gasket, guys, which was not good. And then the engine started knocking, guys. That was it. Car was done, guys. Car did not turn on. That was it. That was the last VR30 motor. That was it. So guys, now let's pop the hood to show you guys the freshness. They even went down to replace my turbos, guys. Whew. So it's a fresh new motor. Hasn't even gotten broken in yet. The car is just parked now, guys. That's my new daily. This is parked in front of the house. Due to my lease, 3 years. It's supposed to be 30,000 miles when I return the car. It's at 22,000 and I just hit a year. So definitely gotta lay back. That's the new daily, guys, right there. And the VR30/Q50 beast is gonna be parked, and it's just gonna be driven occasionally. So new motor, new turbos, whole bunch of lists. It's a whole damn 2 sheets of papers of what they replaced, guys. It was a whole mess of stuff. And the point to that is, guys, keep up on your maintenance. Number 1, don't drive the car hard, and just learn how to have fun the right way and keep up with it. Because guys, I was not keeping up with my maintenance really, because I was comfortable that it was a new car, and next thing I know, the car just started taking a dump on me, and that was it. But look, guys, the car is still in great condition. Got the wrap going still. But I think this car here, guys, is gonna be a not stance. I want to put some coils on it or some springs, whatever. Change the wrap. I'm thinking of it, guys. So drop that comment down. Let me know if I should change the wrap on it, and drop down some crazy wraps that you guys would like me to put on the car. Not a full wrap, because my guy is still kind of new to the wrapping game. So got to be some type of design like this, either camo or like a half car, something like that. I wouldn't really be down with the half car stripe thing, but hey, drop the opinions and let me know. I might, say yeah, I might say no. It doesn't hurt to help a brother out. But yeah, guys, the car is back. The silence not mine, so you can forget about that. I was just playing with you guys. Now that I got the SRT4, got the Q50. But guys, off the top of my head, I want to thank God for this very moment. I want to thank my family and the ones that set it down for me, because we bounced back tremendously heavy, and we came back with the SRT4. And even though it's not a brand new car, it's not nothing crazy. It's still something that I've wanted for a very long time. I've always had a passion for these cars. I don't know why. I've had one of my first ones was a yellow one, and it messed up. A friend rode it down a cliff, and that was it for that. And then I got a red one, and I was working at Jack in the Box. Had this car, and I had the SRT4. I couldn't really afford it, so I had to drop it, had to sell it. That was that, guys. But now I'm in the right position where that's gonna be the new build. This is gonna be just a luxury baby, just the way it looks right now. But I'm thinking of throwing some rims on it, guys, lowering it, changing the wrap maybe. But guys, no further ado, let's hop into the SRT4 and give you guys some sounds, some sound clips, maybe a couple pulls here and there. maybe guys, but it is getting dark, so I don't really know how my girl would feel standing outside the car and getting some rows in. But guys, let's hop into it.
Yes.
Guys, tell me what you guys think of that. Now we got the Q50 and the SRT4. Let me know what you guys think about both of the cars themselves and if that's a good day driver or whatever. But guys, I thought of it, and we're gonna save the pools and the inside drive and everything, the whole POS, for another day, for another video, just because it's so dark outside. Maybe we might film it tomorrow, we might resume the clip tomorrow or whatever. But as of now, guys, it's already late at night. I just got off of work and decided to make this video, guys. So just like that, drop a thumbs up, drop a comment, and please hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bells on to keep up to date with that build and also that one. It's not going to be a build for the Q50, but it is going to be new rims, lower it, new wrap pretty soon, and a whole bunch of stuff. But as of the SRT4, we got big plans for that, guys. I'm not done with the whole racing situation. We are gonna most definitely hit that hard, and stay tuned for that because I'm trying to be one of the top SRT4s out here in SoCal. So stay tuned, guys, because that build is gonna be legendary.